Hello painters, and welcome to my video. I am Marie-Louise, the Danish painter, and today I want to show you how I collect ideas for my paintings. This weekend I went to the beach and there were many things there that inspired me. The sky with lots of big fluffy clouds for one, but also some small colorful boathouses. And I didn't bring my sketchbook, so I rushed back home to sketch down my ideas. What really caught my eye was the contrast between the giant clouds and the tiny houses. So that's the first thing I'm gonna sketch, the layout, and write down my ideas. The most important thing that I would like to tell you by doing this video is that I would like to show you that you do not need to be a master draughtsman to do this, and it does not need to take many minutes to do either. But you will be so glad that you did, because when the day comes and you excuse me, feel the urge to paint, but you're fresh out of ideas, but oh no, you're not. You have your sketchbook and it's full of ideas that are full of meaning to you. This is what is so great about a sketchbook. It's a treasure trove of ideas, little gems of just ideas ready to explore. And I really hope you try this out. Try and use your sketchbook. You know, nobody has to see your sketchbook except for you. I'm showing you mine, but you don't have to show yours to anyone else if you don't want to. Today I chose to focus on the little houses, but some other day it might be another thing that catches my eye when I'm out and about. It could have been the people I saw walking their dogs, or the few boats in the harbor. There were also some cows and some horses grazing on the low-lying fields near the sea. But it's totally up to you. But the sketchbook is a way to hold on to your ideas as they come, because they can disappear very quickly. Let me know in the comments if you have a sketchbook and whether you find it helpful or not. Are you struggling with something, an issue doing your sketching? Just leave a comment. I would really like to know. I will do a follow-up video on how I use these quick sketches to develop my ideas further, and how they may eventually turn into a full-fledged painting on a canvas. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.